looking for remote jobs. A lot of people nowadays are looking for remote jobs because they want work-life balance. They want an opportunity where they can be with their family as well as they can work and they can share their thoughts. If you're finding it very difficult to search for remote job, here are a couple of platforms where you can use it. First platform, one of the most sought after platform, and people are aware about this platform is LinkedIn. I'm going to take you step by step process how to go over. So if you're looking for say software testing, you have to insert as a search parameter. As you enter the search parameter, you will find a lot of different other attributes. Just click on jobs. Once you click on job, then you click over here on-site, hybrid, remote. You just click on remote and then you say now whether this fit or not. If they do not fit your profile, this is where you need to search the third. It's like past week or 24 hours. 24 hours is where you need to apply. You do want to get a job because if something is out in last 24 hours, people are applying. Most often over here you will see if people have not yet applied experience. So what is your experience? Internship, entry level, associate, mid senior. So if you are at associate level, click over here. And if you know any target company, then just select over here. This is where you will find the list. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud Tester freelance position. You have automation specialist, AI and machine learning contract. It's a 2 month job. Automation tester in Python. This is all Python related. Then there's software engineer, full stack developer. When you want to apply any job over here, do not be tempted to click on easy. What you need to do is you need to see who has posted this job. And this you will come to know over here. So follow this company, go on this company page. And now you will find jobs listed over here. If there is marketing analytics and brand strategy role or whatever jobs you want to apply, you will see over here, but you need to go on the company page and apply. For example, you are looking for remote, and this is say marketing analytics. Now they have said full time on site. Let's again go back. Here you will not come to know. So over here we an applicant, easy apply. So on site. You shouldn't see on site, just see remote, digital marketing leader, AI data and AI remote. Then over here you'll see remote. So wherever you see remote is where you need to click on. Then go on this company website, Moki.io, and then apply. Because if you apply via IO only, then it goes into the system. If you apply easy apply, if it is not connected, and if tomorrow there are 3 applicants, tomorrow you might see around 50 applicants. It's very difficult to crack. To understand how do you crack job interviews, I have a video created. Please visit my video. And over there you will learn different things. Now the second part. This is where you will come to know whether you are am I good fit, tailor my resume, how can I be best? Position myself. This is a powered job assessment for premium business premium. I am a business premium holder on LinkedIn, which is why I'm getting these options. Am I good fit? It will tell me am I good fit, reviewing my profile. So based on this, it is telling me to enhance. So tailor my resume. I can tailor my resume for this job. Help me create and cover letter. How can I best update my profile to showcase my experience in IT services market? I can change my entire profile. Now that we know how to use LinkedIn to find remote job opportunities, let's go and visit another website. Another website is NoDesk. Now, NoDesk is a website where there are only remote jobs and remote companies and resources. You do not, and you will not find a regular job over here. You will only see remote jobs. To search remote jobs, apply for remote jobs. So across customer support, design, engineering, marketing, non-tech. I'm from marketing. That's why I'll be able, I relate to those guys. So associate director, international marketing, remote. This is Netherlands-based job, but it is remote. So again, Apollo director, lifestyle marketing. You have Zoom events manager, and this is for US. These are US processes. This is for Canada. Okay, process senior marketing copywriter. Then chess.com lifestyle marketing, YouTube channel manager. So he's hiring remote YouTuber. This is a full time that can be done remotely anywhere in United States. They want somebody to be in US because they want the time to match. Now this particular job may be available on TED also. And you can go and then comes another website. This is FlexJobs. Find a better way to work. Now this is find remote, hybrid, flexible jobs. So over here you will find different type of companies. where you have 2 days a week you have to go to office, and sometimes you might have to visit 3 times a week. Or the hours, you have to work for 3 hours or say 10 hours in a week in office. So you can spread across the store 10 hours across 2 days or 3 days, however you want to. And over here, flexibility, so options. Then comes remotive. So browse remote jobs in India. This is a dedicated website for India. And over here you will find different job opportunities. You can select over here. It's more of a tech development that you will find in customer support. You will not find other style level of jobs. Say software development, if you select this backend developer, senior independent developer, then backend engineer, senior Android developer. So most of the job opportunities are, and then come we work remotely. So over here jobs. So jobs of programming, design, development, management, and finance, sales and marketing. Again, let's see how many sales jobs are available. Head of partnerships, inbound growth engineer. This is anywhere in the world people can work for this particular position. So they have listed. This is an interesting feature. So North America only. Although it can be remotely, but they want somebody from North America to work. So they want to connect with that person any point in time for you. Now USA only. So remote sales chat represent. So anywhere in the world, remote sales development representative, founding B2B sales manager anywhere in the world. So you can apply over here, and there are a lot of positions available to work internationally. So digital growth, marketing manager, launch starter, then manager branding, Zardar Hill. This is Australia and US. So contract. So US only. You have anywhere in the senior account executive, social media manager, freelance travel consultant. A lot of opportunity. I think has more opportunities compared to any other platform that. And then comes our old Naukri.com in India. It's a pretty old platform. Maybe before even LinkedIn started, we were present on Naukri. So I started my career and created my first resume almost 2 tickets, but on Naukri. And LinkedIn came around in 2008. .com is older than Techniques. And I'm using the same email IDs. I've been updating my profile since ages over here. The resume kept on changing. Right from those old days, I've had my same particular thing. When linked, everything is the same. So I used to earlier add a lot of presentations like you still see those particular presentations. Job opportunity. This is they have revamped it a lot, but the photo is still the same which I used to. And so coming back to our remote job. So there's a search parameter and work mode. So over here, work mode, you can add work from office, remote, hybrid, temporary work from home. So remote, once you click, then you'll find all the data science related jobs. Let's see sales and marketing. And in sales and marketing, we have critical care and biotech development strategies for critical care segment. You have client for and a regional manager, cement industry, food service process industry, and then you have Mumbai. So there are different positions available. You can apply for this remote position. There are sales job also available. There are data engineering jobs, all different level of jobs. Now, coming back to there are a lot of remote jobs opportunities available. There are hybrid job opportunities available, and you can also have a full-time job opportunities. It is important that you keep on meeting new people if you want to develop and learn new things. If you do not meet new, and if you just keep on work on one thing, your enablement and learning goes. How many people are constantly doing some kind of learning on some Udemy or some Coursera? There are not many people. How many of you are having a particular MBA or a program where you are discussing something with people? So if you're working remotely and not discussing something with people and not getting new ideas, how will you evolve to become a new person? So I'm not telling you not to work remotely. What I'm saying is try to have a mix of options. I mostly feel hybrid is a good enough option where you spend 2 days going to office and let rest 3 to 4 days working out from your home. Because you can do a lot of debates, discussions, and learning, and then you can work focus approach when you're at home dedicatedly. So it becomes easier to navigate. And a lot of companies also are preferring that particular mode because when you are going to office almost 5 days, the amount of time wasted is very high and the productivity goes. To increase productivity, this is a way out. In the description below, I'll be giving you links for all these portals which you can use to find job. Happy job finding journey. Thanks. I'm your coach Moses. If you have any doubts, please post it.